Yes, I know you were waiting for this conversation. And I got it. I got it. Hey, Jackson, too. Welcome back to the channel. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Lord save me. I swear I don't know why I'm sounding like this morning. Anyway, so if I don't talk about this conversation, who will? Yes, it is the late night conversation with Miracle and Ipeleng. Now, let's start from just Miracle's own point of view. Miracle, we saw where the camera left the conversation with Justin and what's her name? The conversation was Justin and Khosi, and then he moved to around, I think, Kanaga Jr. and Tsatsi, where they were, gasping for air. And you people know what they do now. Check my previous video. You understood. Anyway, so he moved back to Miracle and Ipeleng, and they were having a conversation. Which one we stumbled on it? It was, Miracle just telling Ipeleng, like, he really doesn't understand what is her issue. She knows she has something and she has a true connection with someone right now, yet she doesn't want to give him a go ahead. Like he just needs a 5% confidence in her. She should just give him the 5% confidence that he's seeking, and he would go on with what he wants to do. And she, he added saying that, there is no problem with all the excuses she's giving, that whomever she was with before, she didn't build anything solid. But now she's sure that she really cares about somebody, which was him. And then she's just holding herself back from, going ahead and making it serious. And he went on to add that, he doesn't really care. He doesn't really mind as long as she agrees that if she wants to come to Nigeria, he can handle it. And if she doesn't want to leave South Africa, he can come over, get a place, and he build something amazing. I'm like, what? Wait, hold on. Is Miracle not just playing only games? He is totally, really serious about Ipeleng. Wow. Now, when he was saying all this, all it was giving is rich boy vibes. Yes, we know he's well-to-do. His family is well-to-do. This is a guy that is based abroad. This is a guy that went to one of the best, most expensive secondary schools in Nigeria, one of the best and expensive universities in Nigeria. So everything has been kind of luxury for him from his family. And then he was based abroad, just like Jenni and Marvin. So he was talking from a point of, I know what I want to get it, but I need your go ahead so I don't just waste my time. And then, Ipeleng was like, it's not that easy. I'm telling you, you don't understand. What will people say? They'll start saying that I'm the girl that, was jumping from one man to another. And he was like, of course, what he said, I really kind of like trusted and understand with what he said and what she said, because for example, the guy is out of the house. One, you guys did not solidify anything before. There was no serious conversation. Nobody suspected he was going to leave, that Lukia was going to leave. And then even after you started kissing Miracle, he unfollowed you. He is pissed, and he even said that what you and him went to do in the bathroom was prayer. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the most like you can pray anywhere, my dear. Anyways. Oh my God, I'm trying to control myself. I'm laughing too much. So, Ipeleng, literally, all the things she was saying yesterday was not really adding up. He's asking her, okay, what is now the issue? Like, is it that you want to go out of the house first before you be sure what you want to build? What if you now go out of the house? You don't even know what this guy has been doing, right? So why me that I'm in your front, like me way day here like this, that I'm giving you the vibes, I'm telling you this is what I want and I will stay true to you. Why are you not giving me the go ahead? I cannot handle the other 95%. Just give me that 5% that I need to be sure. Now, to be honest, when she kept saying that it's not only just that, it now rang in my head that she was the lady that when she came into the Big Brother house, I remember she was wearing that her bluish, a bit purplish long gown with those bead stuff around her neck that draped down. I remember her saying that she does not have interest in Nigerian guys. She's only here for her people. It's when she said that, I knew it was from origin, like from South Africa, from her people. South Africans might not necessarily hate Nigerians or foreigners, but over the years, foreigners, especially those who are from other African countries and also white people, get to come to their country and perpetrate crimes, get to, tarnish or tear their country apart. And it's something they don't like. That's why it keeps leading to, all those attacks and stuff. But it's not a threshold to kill people, you understand? But getting back to it, they frown on marrying people outside of their country, especially if it's fellow Africans. It's something I've seen. It's something I've covered over the years. So it's something I'm coming from the point of view. But now that she is locked on Miracle, as much as she keeps denying, she's seeing something new that she didn't get from Luke, right? And she is torn into as to, what if I lose something amazing or something good with Luke and he is waiting for me? The truth is, I feel she should play the game, go on with him, let him she's already in the final, so that's it. What if Miracle is trying to get in the finals by playing this game with Ipeleng? Everybody is a strategist. Everybody is a strategist. Oh, is a strategist. Miracle. We have saw what you are doing. But anyways, the truth is, if he's genuine, boy is gonna treat her like a queen. He knows how to cook. He's got the money. He knows how to kiss. And I know he knows how to do the do. Oh my God, Ipeleng just agreed. When it comes to lovey-dovey videos, this particular video would not be complete if I do not talk about the beautiful moments Kanaga and Tati had this morning. Love wants to do something to me. I know they see love, but they see it for television. Anyways, so after all the gasping and groaning that was done last night, which a lot of you are telling me, it's on the Facebook page that people are telling me, show us the video. I'm not they show anything. If you want to see the video, please go to Twitter, go to YouTube, what's their name, bbtitans page, or other YouTubers or people who want to take the risk of putting that content in their videos. Thank you. Anyways, they did something yesterday. Probably they've been even doing a lot. We don't know. Anyways, let me get back to what I was saying. So this morning, they were in the dressing room and having a conversation. Soon that conversation turned to, holding and hugging each other. And Tati was outrightly kissing the hell out of Kanaga Jr. I mean, to the point where he was now saying, stop. And then he pinned her hands. Like he took her two hands, placed them above her head on the wall. And of course, she was looking at him with this seductive eye of, okay, daddy, what are you going to do? It's his Sunday, but I cannot control myself. Anyways. And he was like, hold on. Why are you doing this to me? See all the marks you're giving me on my neck. Literally, she gave him Hickies. And for Hickies to come out on somebody's neck, it's the intense, lip work. So she did it on his neck. And she was like, she's trying to teach him how he's going to do it. And I'm like, okay. And he continued complaining. I was like, you know what? What is my mommy going to say? What will my mommy do? How will I answer my mommy? I'm like, Hey, you people like peppering me on my face. Is it on my face? To my face. I don't care. Y'all like peppering me to my face, but who cares? Lady Jackson ain't gonna fall for that shit. And did you guys think they were done? Like, these two outrightly were just going for it. Tati was like, let me teach you how to date. I'm like, okay, she's trying to teach him so that he could do it to her because it's like a weak spot for her. That was how she turned the other side of his neck. I'm like, let me do it on the other side. Let me show how to date. And he was, trying to pull away, but she held on his neck, her hands around his neck, her two hands. And then he was now like, stop it. When he was able to get out of the locking that her hands had locked on his neck. And he was like, I am so weak. Hey! Are we sure this girl have not gotten his sweet spots? In the neck. So any of y'all that are crushing on Kanaga Jr., when you get him, see, quick tickets, smush him on his neck. You have gotten him. Papa. Hey! Oh my God. It was really an intense morning. To the point where Blue Eva had to give them space. Soon enough, they stopped and then Kanaga Jr. was holding her neck. Like when you want to choke somebody, in a loving way. And you're like, and he was like, would you stop? And she was like, yes, I'll stop. You're scared of a little girl. Hey, God. Anyways, guys, please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will get back to you on the next one.